coming to say moo. With big brown eyes and a friendly stare, the cow says moo everywhere. Who says meow? Who says meow? It's the cat with a soft little meow. With whiskers so long and paws so neat, the cat says meow, so sweet. Who says moo? Who says meow? Let's find out right now. Listen to the sounds, take a guess. Can you tell who's making this mess? Who says woof? Who says woof? It's the dog, barking aloof. With a wagging tail and ears that flap, the dog says woof with a happy clap. Who says oink? Who says oink? It's the pig with a little oink. With a snout so round and a trot so neat, the pig says oink on its feet. Who says moo? Who says meow? Let's find out right now. Who says woof? Who says oink? Guess the animals, let's not disappoint. Who says quack? Who says quack? It's the duck with a quack quack. With feathers so soft and a yellow beak, the duck says quack, let's take a peek. Who says baa? Who says baa? It's the sheep with a baa baa. With wool so white and a gentle bleat, the sheep says baa on the street. Who says moo? Who says meow? Let's find out right now. Who says woof? Who says oink? Who says quack? Who says baa? Who says roar? Who says roar? It's the lion with the mighty roar. With a golden mane and a loud strong sound, the lion's roar echoes all around. Who says chirp? Who says chirp? It's the bird with the cheerful chirp. With wings that flutter and a tiny beak, the bird says chirp, so sweet. Who says moo? Who says meow? Let's find out right now. Who says woof? Who says oink? Who says quack? Who says baa? Who says roar? Who says chirp? Now we've guessed what fun we've had. Animal sounds make us so glad. From moo to roar, from baa to meow. Guess the sound, let's take a bow.